Friends, you must have seen these videos. They are absolutely amazing. Look at how cinematic and realistic they are, and they are performing really well. I want to show you how you can create videos exactly like these. There is a channel called IFO, and the channel is also monetized. If you look at the estimated monthly income, it is around 11.1k $, which is a very high income. You can create similar videos as well. And if you check their views, you will be shocked to see how many millions of views these videos are getting. You can see 55 million, 45 million, 49 million, 37 million, and 30 million views. Their videos are getting millions of views. So, the question is, can we create a channel like this? Yes, absolutely. We can create realistic films that look completely real. Everything will look realistic and cinematic. We can use Seedance 2.5 for free, and Higgsfield is also giving us free access to its 5th generation. In this video, I am going to explain everything step by step, how you can use it, how you can create videos like these, and how you can grow your own YouTube channel. You can also create your channel in English, which can help you increase your YouTube income even more. So let's get started and learn how we can easily create trending videos. I am going to give you a complete course and explain everything to you step by step. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. I will keep bringing more videos like this for you next. Tim 5, free generations offer only on in Higgsfield. One of the best things about Seedance 2.5 1080p is that new users can get 5 free generations after linking a credit card. This limited time offer is available until Tuesday, giving creators a chance to experience the latest AI video technology at no cost. With these free generations, you can create stunning cinematic scenes, AI films, short movies, action sequences, storytelling videos, commercials, fantasy worlds, wildlife documentaries, and high-quality social media content. Simply enter your prompt, generate a video, and see how Seedance 2.5 delivers smooth motion, strong character consistency, and professional-looking results. It's a great opportunity to test the platform and bring your creative ideas to life for free. How to create realistic animal videos with Seedance 2.5. So, friends, what do we need to do now? Alright friends, here's what you need to do. First, open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, simply paste this prompt. I'll provide you with this prompt, and you can download it from the comment section. Once you paste the prompt, after a short while, you'll see that all 15 scenes will start being generated. If you want to create 20, 40, or even 50 scenes, you can generate as many as you want. Now, I'll copy the first 5 prompts. So, there's no need to generate one video from prompt 1, then another from prompt 2, then prompt 3, and so on. Instead, I can copy 5 prompts together, which helps us create multiple videos much faster. I'll copy these prompts and paste them. Once I paste the 5 prompts, I'll set the video size to 16:9 and keep the quality at HD 1080p. Make sure the voice option is also turned on, because we want good background audio and sound. After that, simply click on Generate. It will take a little time, but it won't take too long, usually around 2 to 4 minutes, and the video will start generating. And as you can see, the video has already started generating and is now ready. Just look at the result. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks like a real cinematic film, not like a typical AI-generated video, but like an actual professionally produced movie. The results from this website are really impressive. And the best part is that it also gives you 5 free generations, so you can get 5 free accesses to the 2.5 model. Make sure you use those free generations as much as possible. Now, I'll take the next 5 or 10 prompts and copy them. Once I copy the next set of prompts, I'll paste them here in the same way. After pasting them, I'll set everything up again. I'll keep the resolution at 1080p HD, so the final video maintains high quality. Then I'll click on Generate, and the video will start generating again. It may take a little time, but not too long, so you won't be wasting much time. After a short while, the video will be ready. I'll download it and play it in HD so you can see the result. As you can see, this is the second scene, and look at how amazing it is. The scene looks incredibly cinematic and realistic. You can create videos exactly like this yourself. This is a really powerful website, and you can easily create high-quality, realistic AI films using this method. So, we have now created and used 2 scenes. Next, let's move on to another powerful feature 5. The 50 reference feature, Seedance 2.5, key feature friends. Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 references in a single generation, including 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio files. It combines them into one consistent video while maintaining character, style, motion, environment, and audio consistency, making professional quality video creation faster and easier one. For example, I can add 10 videos, 10 audios, and 30 images together, and then paste the prompt. As soon as I add everything, paste the prompt, and click generate, the video will start generating in HD.Yes. Exactly. Once I paste the prompt and all the references, it will take a little while, but not too long, okay? You can create a video using up to 50 references. And now the video has been created. You can see the result yourself. Look at how amazing the result is. In this way, you can create and use all these videos easily, however you want. You can use them in whatever way you like. The results are absolutely amazing. After that, if you want, you can also purchase a package for Seedance 2.5. You get 5 generations for free for the first time. You can check it with your email. You can create 5 videos. Yes, you get 5 free generations, and after that, you can also purchase its package.